The material master contains information on all the materials in the company and is used by all components in the SAP logistics system, like materials management, production planning, and sales and distribution. To create a new material, we use transaction code MM01. On the initial screen, we need to select industry sector and material type. They control several things, especially which data can be maintained for the material. You will most probably always use the same industry sector in your work, but the different material types. For a deep dive into this topic, please check videos on my channel. Alright, let's say our company is producing bicycle for kids. We want to create a material which represents the end product, a bicycle. It should have the material type finished product. The key for it is Fert, from a German word fertig. As you can see, the system assigned a new material number. This type of assignment is called internal because it is generated by system itself. Let's maintain the most important data: description, base unit of measure, material group, and general item category group. The latter describes what kind of material it is, like a standard item, packaging material, service, etc., and is used mainly in sales. We also want to create a semi-finished product, a front wheel. This time we use the material type semi-finished with the key halb, from a German word Halbfabrikat. Let's add for this material descriptions in other languages. We need to go to additional data and fill out these descriptions. When logging in using another language, the correct description of material is displayed. These two materials have now the basic data, which are common to all organizational units across the SAP client. Check my next videos to see how to maintain data for specific plants and sales organizations.